Lovies, it's me, Shanice, and welcome back to my channel where we talk about beauty and all things bougie. It's time for another video. It's another video time. Alright, lovies, so this video has absolutely nothing to do with me and everything to do with you guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Oh, disclaimer, I have like a little scar right here. So don't judge me. Don't judge me, okay? It's not a judgment zone, okay, girlfriend? Okay, my lovies, so I just wanted to sit down and take the time to say thank you so much to every single lovey subby, every single person that watches my videos, that comments, that likes them, that shares them. Thank you so much. You know, I've been back on YouTube now since about February, and YouTube just means so much to me. It's been such a beautiful creative outlet for me, and I absolutely love my subbies. I love talking with you guys. I love the little tiny community that we have. And I just wanted to just say thank you. So we will be doing a giveaway today, and this giveaway was initially supposed to be for my 300 subscriber giveaway, and then I got some stuff backed up and delayed. I've talked about that in several videos. I just don't think that you have to have a reason to do a giveaway. I mean, you don't necessarily have to have one. So right now my reason is to say thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you so much. I don't take it for granted the time that you spend with me. I know that we are small. We're less than 400 subscribers right now, but that still means the world to me, and I will still do everything in my power to create consistent, great content for you all. So thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you so much for supporting. And now let's just get into what we're giving away. All right, so the first two items that I will be giving away will be these two MAC lipsticks. Now we have one lipstick in Diva, which is my absolute favorite MAC lipstick, which I explained in my MAC lipstick video. I just had to have one of my subbies have this from me. You know, I love this lipstick and I think you will too. And the next lipstick is this one, which is Shocking Revelation, which is a really beautiful summer color. And I thought that one of my lovies would love this as well, so I wanted to give it away. So the first two items are these two full-size MAC lipsticks that you, one of my lovies subbies, will be receiving and can have in your collection. The next two items that I will be giving away are two of the MAC On The Go lip kits. We have the mini lip kit in pink and we have the mini lip kit in nude. This one has a lip gloss in the shade Don't Quote Me. It has a dazzle glass in the shade Secrets, and it has a luster lipstick in the shade Sip to Tea. And again, these are minis, but I thought that this would be a great introduction into some MAC products, maybe if you don't have them or if you've never tried them. So this is the On The Go pink mini lip kit, and then you have the On The Go nude mini lip kit, and this one has a lip gloss in the shade Feeling Fine. You also have your dazzle glass in the shade Prancing Dancing, and you have the Amplified Lip Cream lipstick in the shade Love Happens. So I thought that these were super cute, and I thought that you, whatever lovey subby wins this, would really appreciate these and be able to try out some MAC products. As you guys know, I love MAC, and I wanted to give these away to my lovey subbies. All right, the next item is the Festival Liquid Lip by Juvia's Place, and this came out with their festival collection. It has two liquid lipsticks in there. These are the shades. Of course, they are brand new and unopened, and I thought with fall right around the corner, you know, or if you're a creative and you like to do really pretty looks, I thought that these two shades would be very interesting for you to have in your collection. So I wanted to give these away, and as you know, we love Juvia's Place on this channel. So the winner will also be receiving the Festival Liquid Lip by Juvia's Place. Both of these shades will be yours. So I had initially thought that I wanted this giveaway to be like a lip giveaway.
I don't even know what to say because my lip popping. And goodbye. Period. I mean.
And I don't know, I was like, no, let me put at least one eyeshadow palette in there. So the last item that the winner will be receiving is the Watch Me Blush eyeshadow palette. Here is the one that you'll be receiving. It is still wrapped up in the bubble wrap. Okay, I have not touched it. This is mine for my personal collection, and these are the shades that are inside of it. This is the Watch Me Blush palette by the Crayon case, which I thought was beautiful, and it was the most recent addition to my Crayon case collection, so I thought that one of my lovey subbies would like to have it as well. All right, lovey, so now let's just talk briefly about how to enter this giveaway. It is not deep. It is not, you know what I'm saying, anything astronomical. It is very, very simple.
now?
First, of course, you have to be a lovey subby. You do have to be subscribed to my channel. Number 2, you do have to follow me on Instagram and on Twitter. Number 3, you do need to share this video. Now, however you decide to share this video, I will just say make sure that you tag me and take a screenshot. Once the winner is randomly selected, I will be asking the winner for proof that they have followed all of the steps. So make sure that you're just taking a screenshot of everything that you're doing, so that way when I reach out to you, you will of course be able to show me that you've participated fairly in the giveaway. And number 4, once you've completed all of the other 3 steps, come right back here to this video and comment down below. Just say done, and that is it. You're entered into the giveaway. Also, in your comment down below, please do not forget to put like your Instagram, your email, or something, or a way for me to contact you. I did a giveaway a couple months ago and I didn't have a way to contact the winner outside of YouTube. They missed the window to claim their prize, so I do not want that to happen again. Leave your email, leave your Instagram, your Twitter handle, leave a way for me to get in contact with you if you are the winner. Now, the winner will be randomly selected through a random comment generator, and also this giveaway will be open for 5 days. So it will be uploaded on Sunday, July the 5th, and it will be closed on Friday, July the 10th, and the winner will be announced on July the 12th. That is the next Sunday after I will be uploading this video. That is when the winner will be announced, and everything should be shipped out that week. So again, just don't forget to follow all 4 steps. They are vital. Take screenshots and leave your email, Twitter handle, a way for me to contact you in your comment down below once you are finished with all 4 steps. All right, my lovies, that is all for today. I just want to keep this video very simple and sweet. Again, thank you guys so much for your support. I truly appreciate it. If no one else on this platform seems to appreciate their subscribers, just know that I do. I don't take it for granted. I don't take it lightly, which is why I've chosen to celebrate every step of the way on this journey. I don't want to have to wait till 1,000 subscribers or 10,000 subscribers to do a giveaway. I want to do them as often as feasibly possible, just to say thank you and let you guys know that I do appreciate and love your support. All right, my lovies, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, of course, to enter the giveaway. Don't forget to check out some of my other videos. I have a lot of great content, and don't forget to ring the bell so that way you're notified every time I upload, which is every Sunday at 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. I am right here motivated and excited to upload a video for you guys. Okay, thank you so much for spending your time with me. I truly appreciate it. Come on in for your hug. And I hope that you guys have a great rest of your day. Enjoy your week, and we will see you next week for the next video. All right. Bye-bye.